Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel for episode 2 in my series of fashion basics. So this episode is going to be on how to style the clothes that you already have. Now I feel like we so easily go out and buy new things and we don't actually know how to shop our own wardrobes and get the most out of the stuff that we already have, and I am so guilty of this, and I think we'll still do it even after this video. But at least you've got a couple of ideas on how you can style the things that you already have in your wardrobe, and this is also really great if you're trying to be more sustainable and not buy so much fast fashion this year and things like that. It's a really great way to save money too. So I hope you enjoy it. Again, make sure you watch through the entire length of this video because there'll be tips throughout. I really wanted this series to be chatty and really in-depth so you get the most out of it. So please do watch until the end and let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is to take a look at your wardrobe very in-depth and see the sort of things that you have, and maybe make a note of the things that you have too much of or things that you don't wear enough. So for example, you may have a lot of black t-shirts. I know I do. I know I don't need to buy any more black t-shirts because I have enough already, and that's why I feel like sometimes I'm stuck in a little bit of a style rut because I just see black t-shirts in my wardrobe and that is it. So make sure to take a note of the things that you already have a lot of, things that you love to wear a lot, and also the things that you don't really wear that often. And this will help you next time you go shopping to eliminate you buying the same stuff over and over again so you feel like you have nothing to wear because everything looks the same. And it will also help you to find new key items that you can add to your wardrobe without wasting money on stuff that you already have very similar to. And also it will help you identify pieces that you wear so often that you know flatter you know, a certain style. Maybe it's a certain style of trousers, maybe, I don't know, flared jeans really suit you well, so you know you can go back to flared jeans and look for, you know, similar cuts and, you know, things like that. So that's the whole point of shopping your own wardrobe. Picking out the things that you love, picking out the things that you don't wear, and picking out the stuff that you have way too much of. And also, when you're trying your outfits on and also going through your own wardrobe, try and, you know, look for what's missing. Maybe you're missing a statement jacket, maybe you're missing just a classic pair of black jeans. Just make a note of what you're missing too, because this will help you then not waste your kind of budget on things that you already have, and you've got a little bit more money to spend on those pieces which you can then add to your wardrobe and build your outfits from. Now it's really easy to shop your own outfit by building on the basics that you already have. So for example, for this look I've just got on a pair of blue jeans, a white cami top, both very basic pieces which you probably have something similar to in your wardrobe. And you can very easily dress these basic pieces up with statement jackets. For example, I could put this statement jacket over the top of this look and this will really dress the outfit up. So this is just a tweed jacket from Pull & Bear, I think it was. I don't know if they still do it, so again I'll leave a link to it down below if they do. But you can see by just adding a statement kind of jacket over the top like this, it just completely transforms the look and dresses it up and gives the look a completely different feel. So I've just used two basic pieces, blue jeans, a white cami, and then the statement jacket over the top. Just really helps you to build outfits from your basics that you have already. So then for another example of how I could style up this outfit and completely change the feel of it, is I could switch the jacket to this khaki trench coat from Vera Moda, and you'll see me just by changing my statement jacket, it just completely changes the whole feel of the look. You can see I'm still wearing the exact same outfit, but I've just put on this khaki trench coat over the top and it's just completely changed the whole feel of the outfit. It's given a more kind of smart casual look, but again we've just built on the basics we already have. Okay, so this time I've got on probably an outfit that you have very similar in your wardrobe. I've just got on a pair of jeans and a classic black t-shirt. So there's a couple of things that you can do to kind of elevate your look. Maybe if you don't like the fit of something or you just don't like how it looks. So there's a couple of little fashion hacks that you can do, and I've done loads of videos on fashion hacks, so I don't want to go too much into that in this video, but I will leave links to all of my fashion hacks videos in the description box below. And these just cover like little things you can do to your jeans to make them fit better, you know, different ways to roll them up, cut them yourself, different fashion hacks you can do for certain problems, like if your top's gaping too much or if your t-shirt looks too big. But you can do little fashion hacks to kind of elevate a basic outfit like this if you're kind of sick of it and you don't really know how to style it. So for this look, I'm gonna first start off by rolling up my jeans, just because I feel like these jeans are just too long and they just don't really look very good with this look. So I'm just rolling them up 3 times, but if you want to see whole in depth, just check out those videos, because I've gone really in depth in those videos already. I don't know if you can see, but it's instantly just changed the fit of these jeans and made them fit me so much better. So now for the top, I feel like it just doesn't look very good hanging out like this. So the first thing you could do is tuck it in like so. And I'm just going to do it very quickly just to show you. And you can see here it's instantly giving me a bit more of a waist and shape, and it just looks a lot better already. Now you could add statement jewelry, so you could add a nice bold statement necklace at this point. But there's also a couple of other ways you can, you know, style your t-shirt too. So there's a few hacks where first you can just tie it up at the front. So do it like you would do a little bun in your hair, hold it like this, and then tie it with a hair elastic. Again, I've gone really in depth in my other videos on how to do that, so if you want to see how to do it properly, check that video out. But yeah, you can see again, it's just kind of made this t-shirt look a lot better and made the outfit look a lot more kind of put together basically. So next, to dress up this outfit, I'm gonna pick my statement jacket. Now any statement jacket would work with this look. I could wear a leather jacket or a puffer jacket or a faux fur jacket. So for this look, I'm just going to put on my leather jacket. And leather jackets are a great addition to your wardrobe if you don't have one already, because they're great pretty much all year round apart from the freezing cold winter. So just by adding that leather jacket, you can see again I've completely changed the whole feel of the outfit, and what was quite a kind of rubbish outfit that just hung down, I've kind of made it look a lot more fitted by rolling up the jeans, tying up the t-shirt, and then adding the leather jacket over the top. I just feel like it's made such a difference, and that's how easily you can kind of elevate the basics that you already have in your wardrobe. Just, you know, do different kind of things with your t-shirt, roll up your jeans if they're too long for you. So for this look, I've just got on a plain black t-shirt again and a pair of black leggings and my Nike trainers. Now this is a very, very casual look, but it's such a great look to build upon and curate a different outfit with every single time. So for a casual look, I would just kind of tuck the t-shirt under like this, take my puffer jacket and just put it over the top. And you can see just by adding that statement jacket, it's just completely changed the whole look and feel of the outfit. Now you could also pick a bag to go with it, so I'm just going to pick this black one. And by adding the accessories, again, we've just dressed the look up even more. But then to even take it to the next level, I could add a pair of earrings, or I could add a pair of sunglasses and just wear them, you know, normally, or you could kind of pull them up and have it pushing back your hair. And I feel like this just really dresses the whole outfit up, and I've taken just a classic black t-shirt and leggings and made it into an outfit. So now if I wanted to completely change the feel of the outfit and make a kind of more dressy look, it's very easy. All I would do would first take the sunglasses off, and I'm gonna put on this faux fur jacket from Bershka. And this faux fur jacket is really great because I think faux fur just instantly makes an outfit look so much more luxurious. So then to dress the look up a little bit more, a good tip is to just change your shoes. So I've just got on my Nike Air Force Ones at the minute, but obviously they're very casual. So I'm going to switch my shoes to a pair of black boots. And these black boots will just instantly change the whole feel of the outfit and make it look kind of a lot more chic and dressed up. So just like that, I've added the boots and it's just changed the whole feel of the outfit. Now to dress it up even more, I'm going to add this cream hat. Again, little accessories just like this hat or the sunglasses or your jewellery can just dress up your basic pieces. You can see the hat's just made such a difference to the outfit and really dressed it up. And then just to finish it off, I'm just going to take my black bag again. Now I know of course you might not have these specific pieces in your wardrobe, but the whole point of this video is I'm trying to show you how you can easily dress up the basics that you already have with, you know, statement pieces like a statement jacket, your shoes, jewelry, bags, hats, to completely give you new looks and really shop your own wardrobe. And maybe if you do feel like, oh, I feel like I'm missing a statement jacket, this might help you to pick, you know, what statement jacket might suit you or your lifestyle or your wardrobe. If you like to dress up very kind of smart casual, a faux fur jacket like this for winter would be perfect for you. If you're more casual, you could go for the puffer jacket. I'm just trying to show you options and just show you different ways you can style your basics so you don't feel like you're so stuck in a style rut with the things that you have. So then again, another way you could style just a basic black t-shirt and leggings, you could add a classic tan trench coat like this over the top of the look. And I love trench coats just because they're such a great wardrobe staple, and I feel like they just look so chic and can instantly transform an outfit. And just by tying it up in the middle, again, I've just got a completely different look with the same key pieces underneath. And let's say you have something in your wardrobe and you just don't know how to style it. Let's say it was something like this tweed jacket from River Island, for example. What you could do is have a look on Pinterest, type in tweed jacket and see how other people have styled a jacket similar to this. It might give you a little bit of inspiration. You can also check my YouTube channel too, because I post a lot of outfit inspiration on there and on my Instagram as well. And then if you're really stuck and you still don't know how to style it, what you can do is go onto the website that you bought it from. There might be a photo of the model and just see how they styled it, and you might get a little bit of inspiration from that. So that is it for this episode. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because that would really help me out. Let me know if you have any kind of questions in the comments down below too. I always love to hear what you think, and make sure you check back for tomorrow's episode, which is on the basics that you need in your wardrobe. So have a great day and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.